Hi everyone, welcome to this guide where I'll show you exactly how to restore files in Google Drive. If you've ever deleted something important by accident, don't worry. Google Drive has a built-in feature to help you get it back. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and type in drive.google.com. This will take you to the Google Drive homepage. Next, click on the Login button and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, think of Google Drive as your digital filing cabinet where all your folders and files are neatly stored. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, you'll see an option called Trash. Click on it. This is where deleted files and folders are temporarily stored before they are permanently removed. Take a moment to carefully scan through the trash contents. Look for the specific file or folder that you want to recover. Make sure you're selecting the correct item so you don't restore the wrong thing. Once you found it, select the file or folder. At the top of the page, you'll see the restore icon. It looks like a circular arrow. Click on it. When you do this, Google Drive will place the file or folder back into its original location, exactly where it was before you deleted it. But here's something very important. Files in trash are only kept for a limited time. Typically, Google gives you 30 days to recover them. After that, they're permanently deleted and can't be restored. So always act quickly if you need to recover something important. And that's it. You've successfully restored a file in Google Drive. This simple method can save you from losing valuable documents, work projects, or even personal photos. Use it wisely to keep your digital life safe and organized.